What do you think is the role of academics in cultural transmission?
To deepen Jewish knowledge which is not carried by the vast majority of members of the Jewish community, along with issues of sort of giving a critical perspective on it and so on, which wouldn't take place even in areas where it is carried, let's say within yeshivas, for example. So the question is whether that constitutes a kind of repository where the information and the knowledge is stored and accumulated and cataloged, in a sense, through writings, or whether it can in fact be transmitted. You know, what constitutes Jewish culture? Is it culture in that capital C sense where you have knowledge of Jewish languages, knowledge of Jewish literature, knowledge of Judaism, or is it what Jews actually say and believe and live? So in the anthropological sense, Jewish knowledge and Jewish culture is what Jews actually do, what they say and do and believe. In sort of an academic sense, Jewish knowledge, Jewish culture is familiarity with Jewish languages and with Jewish texts.